Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make the best plantain chips. Plantain chips are popular and healthy snack that one can get in any part of the world. Here on my countertop is a beautiful result of different ways you can slice them, be it for commercial or personal use. I'm sure you clicked the video to know how I came up with this crispy good looking plantain chips. Then let's dive right into the video. The only recipe we have for this plantain chips is plantain. As you can see, I have combination of two plantain, the green plantain and the ripe plantain. Alright, so the best plantain to use for this plantain chips is the big plantain, but anyone you have, it is good to go. Oh yes. Now let's prep our recipe, and there's nothing much in prepping the recipe rather than washing it with a clean water until it is clean and clear. Make sure you do this because this part is very important. After washing it, I will peel off the skin and then get back to you. Keep watching. I like using my small knife to peel it off because it is very easy for me. But you can use any knife of your choice. There is no problem about it. If you are the type that stay at home without doing anything, this plantain chips is one easy business that you can start anytime, any day and make a reasonable profit out of it. Are you going to start your plantain chips business today? Please do let us know at the comment section. Place a pan on the heat and pour a reasonable amount of vegetable oil. Allow it to heat up. After washing the plantain, this is what I got. This is the ripe plantain, white this is the unripe, and I'm going to cut it into 3 different sizes. Anyhow you want to slice it, it is very good to go, but if you are selling it, it's better you mind the way to cut it so that you will have at least a little profit. And this is the plantain slicer. There are different types of plantain slicer you can buy or use any one you have. For me, this is the one I have, so let's get into it. This is the green plantain, which is unripe. This is the ripe plantain. You can decide to use only the green or only the ripe. It's all left for you. So let's start with the unripe. This is how you hold the plantain slicer, like this. So I'm using this. So the plantain will be coming out from this, alright? So you have to mind the way you hold it. If you want it long, so let's go for the long one first. So these are the long one. This is a length I can go. These are the long one. Okay. So if there is anyone that is not too long, you can separate them later if you are selling them. But when you buy plantain chips, you will notice that all of them are not long. Some are long, or while some are medium and some are short. So they mix them. Okay. So this is how it is. So now let's go for the medium one. Alright, this is how you keep your hand. For the medium one, you start from here. You don't start from here now. So from the medium one, you start from here. This is the medium one. Can you see? So you mix them. You don't just slice everything straight. You mix them. You mix the long, the medium. That is shortest. So this is how it is. And let's go for the round one. You start from here. Then you start cutting it until it becomes round. Okay, it's as simple as that. Can you see it's becoming round? Can you see it's becoming round? So after cutting, this is what we got. The long one, the second one that we cut around this, all this is unripe, and I decided to also cut the ripe one second, and this is the middle. Alright, so you mix all of them so that you get what you want. And mainly, if you're selling, if you cut it this way, you can be able to make a little profit out of it. You know, plantain is very expensive now, so you have to mind the way you cut it so that you get a little profit. Alright, so let's go and fry it. Yeah, so this is the ripe one. We'll go with it first. The oil is hot, so let's go with it. You separate it so that they won't stick together, and don't overcrowd the pan. Alright, once that is done, you'll be very careful. You carefully separate it. As you can see, they are sticking, but you carefully separate it. Okay, if you don't separate it now, when it's fully crispy, they will all break up. So this is salt and water solution. I will add it to the just that. Can you see how beautiful it's looking? All of them are separated. Okay, you can see this is good to go. Can you see how separate they all looks? I will put it in a strainer. Can you see how beautiful that looks? Yeah. This is the last batch of the ripe round one. The one I cut in circle shape or round shape. So this is the last batch, as you can see. So I'll also remove it. This is all the ripe one. I am shaking all the oil in it out to make sure all the oil drops down. After shaking it out, I'll then spray it on the paper towel to make sure all the oil in it are being dropped before packaging it. Yeah, that is the deal. Alright, going for the long one. That is the long one. You don't have to overcrowd it. For the unripe plantain, I am using salt and sugar solution, which is a teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, mixed with 2 teaspoons of water. Alright, yeah, and I will add it so that the unripe one will be a bit sweet. That is the game. When you are eating it, you will not know whether it is sweet, to be a little bit sugary and a little bit salty. I don't really know how to explain it for you to understand. This is good to go, as you can see. Can you hear the sound? Yeah. I will also put it right here in the drainer. And this is how I will keep doing it until I am done. When I'm done, I will come back for the next step. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if no, subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up to support us. Alright, share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comments to encourage us. Keep on encouraging us. Alright, so we are done with the last batch of the longest one. So this is it. I'll also shake out the excess oil carefully and then spray it out here to cool down. Can you hear how crunchy it is? Yeah. The very first batch of the green one I cut in circle. So you separate them just as usual. Don't allow them to stick together. After that, I will separate them further. As you can see, the way you add it matters a lot. They are not sticking together. Now I will add the salt. The oil is just reporting the way I want. This one is ready. Can you hear the sound? So we'll also remove it from the heat to the strainer and then allow it to drop oil before we transfer it to a paper towel. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comments to encourage us as you keep watching. God bless you. This is good to go, and it's gonna be the last batch of the green plantain. It's gonna be the last batch, alright? We are done, as you all know. This is how I package them, though I will put them in a Ziploc or an airtight container, anyone you have. This is the unripe long ones. I slice into long ones. This is the one I slice in circle, unripe one or round one, anyhow you see it. This is the ripe one, as you can see, and this is the medium one. So if you are selling it, you mix it, but this is on its own, okay? You mix this and this, but this one goes on its own. You don't mix this with anyone, okay? And this one on its own as well. Yes, this is a very healthy snack for school runs, school lunch, and any lunch at all. You can go to work with this, and it is very healthy as a lunch. It's a healthy snack. You try this recipe out and thank me later. So this is the Ziploc I'm going to use to package them now. You can use an airtight container if you have one. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Can you hear the sound? This really means that the thing is well dry and very crispy as well. This is all we got. Start your plantain chips business today and you will never regret of starting it. Alright, I hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as I enjoy bringing it at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remember blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.